Exercise tubes or bands are a great addition to any workout. What I really like about using them is that you control the resistance. We're going to start with the chest press. Lisa is in a staggered stance and the anchor point is behind her. She's working her chest as well as her tricep muscles. She's going to exhale as those arms push forward. Now she's turned around. This is a row exercise. You just saw her step back. She's making the exercise a little more challenging. She's pinching her shoulder blades as she pulls those arms back and exhaling. Next up, we have the kneeling leg extensions. This is a great way to tone your glutes and legs. If you want to make it more challenging, simply shorten the tube. Now Lisa's keeping her abs tight and her hips and shoulders squared up to the floor. She's exhaling as she extends her leg back. Squats and shoulder presses are truly a full body move. Be sure you're using good control as you squat down, knees stay over your ankles. You're keeping your abs contracted and exhaling as you extend that arm up towards the sky. We've added a torso rotation at the top to work your oblique muscles. Here are the bicep curls. Now Lisa made it more challenging by adding a squat. Remember, you control the resistance. The tighter the tube, the harder the exercise. The longer the tube, the easier the exercise. Here we have tricep overhead extensions. All the movement comes from your elbow and you're keeping your shoulder nice and stable. Make it a little more challenging and add a lunge. Finally, we're going to end our workout with 2 abdominal exercises. Now Lisa's starting with the bicycle crunches. As with any kind of crunches, make sure you keep your abs tight and exhale on the up. For bicycle crunches, think about shoulder going towards your knee and keeping your elbows out and flat. Here we have standard crunches to end our workout. The other thing I love about exercise bands and tubes, it's a great travel workout. Pack them in your bag, take them anywhere, vacation or business.